Listen, it's awesome to have that flexibility, but we also need to meet customer demand, right? So how do you strike that balance to keep people focused on the business results that we need while also having this important family flexibility that we need too?
So we have done some flexible work hours, right? We've had, some guys that will come in or, ourselves come in very, very early in the morning. We only work one shift, but if we need to, we try to work things around. We had many families that, unfortunately, we're not an environment where we could have done any working from home. Mm-hmm. We are completely hands-on manufacturing. But I didn't have anybody who didn't have a companion that was able to do it. So if there were children involved, there were wives or there were husbands that were able to stay home and, help during the time when kids were not in school. I myself had to make flexible work schedules, and that was certainly a massive challenge for me. I wasn't coming in until 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I was working till 10 o'clock at night, or I was coming in on Saturdays and Sundays. But like anything, we muscle through it. In terms of customer demand, we had a massive increase in customer demand over COVID. We had a customer who retrofitted their machines that were used for another industry that changed, and they were manufacturing PPE equipment. So what was usually an order of, hypothetically, say, 10 units a month, shot up to a unit of 100 units a month.
Oh, wow.
And the demand was massively huge. So we, buckled down, and we increased everybody's hours, and we alternated shifts, and we implemented our social distancing policies as best as we could, and we were able to meet those demands. By the grace of God, I guess you could say. I'm not really sure. But tremendous. Just some really, industry long educated knowledge. My staff was able to get those demands out.
It's a Yankee ingenuity at work, that small business mentality, getting it done.